Alright, this is Punta Gorda Chris again. It is September 10th. This is Punta Gorda, Florida. It's approximately 11. And the winds are definitely picking up. There's some gusts I know have to be 60 miles an hour. It's starting to really shake out the trees good. A couple of trees back there fell already on the other side of the fence. Getting a few rain bands, but some of these gusts are getting pretty sporty. There's a gust right here.